Hi, Michigan State students and East Lansing residents. My name's Chris. I'm the owner of Jerry's Automotive here in South Lansing. We would love to help you with any auto repair needs you may have that come up. We've been the trusted source for Michigan State students, athletics, football, soccer, hockey, track and field, swim, you name it. We take care of your athletic departments. We love to take care of you. We service anything from engine issues, brakes, suspension, chassis issues, differential issues, anything you imagine your car could need service on, we can handle here for you at Jerry's Automotive. We're family owned and operated, third generation business. We have over 120 years of experience here at this shop. We employ 3 ASE master technicians, myself, and Leroy, our service advisor. We offer a 3-year, 36,000-mile nationwide warranty. What does that mean, MSU student parents? That means if you have a repair done here at Jerry's Automotive and your student goes home, whether it be down the road a half hour, or across the country 15, 20 hours. If there's an issue with that repair, it is covered 100% by Jerry's Automotive. If you have any auto repair needs, again, please give us a call at 517-393-7240 or book online at jerrysautomotivelansing.com. Thank you.